Students, after completing the page number 4040 in book number 8, you have to open the page number 46 in book number 8, 47, 48 and 49 as well. Okay, and in these pages also you have to mention today's date, that is 17th day, 2nd month, and 2020 is the year. Here we are going to do recap of concepts. Draw few flowers in the vase and many flowers in the pot. So tell me, is the flower is the vase or pot? Is this vase? So for vase we have to make few flowers. Few means the quantity is very less. Just draw it, don't color it. Okay. Now, and many flowers in pot. So this is a pot. We have to draw many flowers. In this way you can draw your flowers. We can do many flowers in this way. So these are many flowers and these are some flowers. Few flowers in the vase and many flowers in the pot. Now come down. Now read the question. Count and write the number of heavy and light objects in the boxes provided. So here you have to identify which is light and which is heavy. The mobile phone is light or heavy comparison to laptop. Laptop is heavy and mobile phone is light. So let's count how many laptops are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4. And mobile phones 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write number 4 here. Okay. Now come on the page number 47. Here we are going to do the concept of tick the objects that are more. We have to tick those objects that are more in quantity and cross the objects that are less in each set. So tell me, in this jar, cookies are more or less? Cookies are more, so we will put tick. In this jar, cookies are less, so we will put cross. In this tray, these two trays are there. In both trays, cookies are there. Now tell me, are these more or less? These are less. For less, we will put cross. These are more, so we will put tick. Now there are this set of balloons. Are these more or less? These are more. For more, we will put tick. For less, we will put cross. Now come down. Color the basket with full of fruits pink. We have to color that basket that is full of fruits, that should be pink in color. And color the basket empty brown, and we have to color empty basket brown in color. So for that we require brown color and pink color. So tell me, this basket is empty or full? This is empty. For empty we will use brown color, and for full we will use pink color. Okay. So I'll show you after coloring. Okay. Now students, in this way you have to do the coloring in these two baskets. For empty you use brown, for full you use pink. Okay. Now turn your page and come on the page number 48. Here we will do the recap of concepts. Circle the jar that has less candies. So there are two jars. Now tell me, are these less or more? Less. Are these less or more? More. So we will circle the jar that is less candies. Color the ribbon that is long. Now tell me, which ribbon is long? Is this long or is this long? Is this short? Is this long? So for long we will use I'm going to use pink color and color this ribbon. Why we are coloring this ribbon? Because we have to color the long ribbon. So this is the long ribbon. That's why we are coloring this ribbon. It's not necessary you have to do pink color because no color is mentioned over here. So you can do the color of this ribbon by your own choice. Okay students, in this way you have to color it. Now tick the animal that is heavy. Now tell me, is this heavy? No, tortoise is light comparison to lion. Lion is heavy. So we will put tick. Okay. Come on the page number 4949. Here, tick the plate that has many cakes. Now tell me, are these many? No, these are few. Are these many? Yes, so we will tick it. Now, circle the basket that are full. Is this full or empty? Full. So we will circle this basket. Is this full or empty? This is empty. So we will not do anything. Is this full or empty? It's full. So we will circle it. Now, cross the toy that is far from the girl. The girl is sitting over here. These two toys are here. One toy is teddy bear and second toy is ball. Now teddy bear is near or far? Teddy bear is near the girl. So we will not cross it. Ball is far from the girl. So we will cross the ball. Okay students. In this way you have to complete your all the work and submit your work on Google Classroom in PDF form. Okay. Thank you.